Very warm good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing great at home and enjoying your online classes. Today I am here with new lesson of grammar, which is lesson number 11, present continuous tense. So first we will know about present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense to talk about the action going on at the moment of speaking. We use is, am, are with the ing form of verb to show what we are doing now. As you can see, in present continuous tense, we always use verbs ing form with is, am, are. Okay, and present continuous tense is always talks about the ongoing action, which means present action. So, read these sentences carefully. The first one is, I am talking to you. Here you can see we have used ing form of talk. So that means this sentence is present continuous tense and we have used am here. The next one is, you are listening to me. Again you can see we have used are with listens ing form, which is listening. And this sentence is also present continuous tense. The next one is, we are discussing present continuous tense. Here again we have used ing form of discuss and the word is discussing and we have used are with it. The next one is, you are reading your grammar book. Again we have used ing form of read, which is reading with are. The next one is, Priya, why are you talking? Here you can see we have used ing form of talk, which is talking with are. These are some examples of present continuous tense. Now let's take a look towards use of is, am, are. Here you can see we will use am with I. We always use am with I. An example is, I am eating an apple. You can see in this sentence we have used am and ing form of eat. The next one is use of is. So we will use is with he and she. Okay, we will use is with he or she and the example is, he or she is eating an apple. Again you can see an example we have used ing form of eat with is. The next one is and we also use is with it and the sentence is, it is my pet dog. The next one is are. So we will use are with we, you, they. So you can see the example, we / they / you are eating an apple. I think you all are clear with it. So let's move to the exercise. The first exercise is circle the correct verb. Here what you have to do, you have to circle the correct word given. Okay, the first sentence is, my mother is peeling or are peeling the carrots. As you can see here, two options are given, is peeling or are peeling. So we have to choose the correct one. So how you will get to know which one is correct? We will see the subject and the subject is my mother, which is singular. So we will use is with singular one. So the right answer is, my mother is peeling the carrots. The next one is, I am grating or is grating the carrots. Here again you can see two options are given, am grating or is grating and you can see the subject is I. So we will use am with I always. So the answer is, I am grating the carrots. The next one is, Today we are making or is making carrot halwa. So here we are talking about we, so we will use which one? Yes, are. So the answer is today we are making carrot halwa because we are plural, so we will use are here. The next one is I are filling or am filling my water bottle. Here you can see we are talking about I, so we will use which one? Yes, am filling my water bottle. The final answer is I am filling my water bottle. The next one is you is disturbing or are disturbing me. Here we are talking about you, so we will use which one? Yes, are disturbing because with you we always use are, so the right answer is you are disturbing me. The next one is he is cleaning or are cleaning his study room. Here you can see we are talking about he, or with he we use is, so the answer is he is cleaning his study room. And the last one is children is flying or are flying kites. So here we are talking about children, so with children we will use are, and the answer is children are flying kites. So this is it for today. We will continue with the exercise of this lesson in our next video. So till then, stay safe at home and enjoy your online classes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.